Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, Cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make this amazing Tuscan-styled bean soup. Really easy to do and perfect for a cold winter's day. First thing we need is our slow cooker or crock pot, whichever way you want to call it. Alright, I'm going to add in around about a third of a cabbage. Now you can cut that any which way you like. I like to shred mine because I can do anything with that. And I'm going to add in a ham hock. Alternatively, you could use about 200 grams worth of a good pancetta or a piece of speck or bacon, whatever you like. I'm going to add in 2 small brown onions, which I've finely diced, just like that. They can go straight in. And as you can see, we don't have this thing turned on yet. Alright, so now I'm going to add in 2 stalks of celery. Again, I've cut those up into nice little fine dices, just like that. They can just go straight in like that. Alright, and the last bit we need for our mirepoix is going to be 2 carrots. I'm going to add those in as well. Alright, very, very simple, classic trio of flavours. They all just go straight in. Alright. I'm going to add in some garlic. Add as much or little as you want. I want a good punchy flavour, so I'm going to add in about 3 teaspoons worth of garlic paste. You could use fresh if you want, but it works out really nice in a soup having the paste. 1 400 gram can of diced tomatoes, just like that. Make sure we don't waste anything. Let's get all of that out, and that's not enough. We're going to add in another 400 gram can of tomatoes. So 2 400 gram cans of tomatoes, they can go in. Unless you can find an 800 gram can, put that in just as well. Alright, so just put all of that straight in, just like that. And as you can see, this slow cooker is looking pretty full. Don't worry, it's all going to work out in the end. I'm also going to add in a little bit of beef stock. I'm going to add in about a litre of beef stock, just pre-prepared, just bought from the store. If you've got your own beef stock that you like to make at home, use that. Just add all of that straight in, just like that. And as you can see, this is not even making a dent in the slow cooker. It's all going straight to the bottom. Don't worry, it's going to work out in the end. Alright, so if you haven't tried making your own slow cooker soups before, you don't know what you're missing. And if you don't have a slow cooker, why not? They're so inexpensive to buy, and they're the best thing in winter. Put the lid on, and as you can see, while it does not fit correctly, I'm just going to put that on high, walk away, and go watch something on TV for about an hour and a half to 2 hours. Alright, so we've left that for, in all honesty, about 3 hours. I've added in 1 large zucchini, which I've just roughly diced, just like that. Nice big chunks, and put the lid back on. That can sit there for about another hour or so. Alright, and everything's just cooking away nicely. We've got a bit of bubblage happening. Absolutely perfect for this dish. Alright, and the smell is already incredibly nice. We're going to remove that ham hock now, as Mrs. KP is going to do right there. Just remove that meat, and if you've got the piece of speck, you just dice that speck up and put that straight in at the beginning of cooking this dish. I'll leave it up to you. A ham hock is a lot less expensive than a piece of speck. I can guarantee you that. Alright, so we've got that bubblage happening. We're just letting this thing cook away nice and easily like that. And what I've done is stripped all the meat off that ham bone, and I'm going to return that meat into our beautiful Tuscan bean soup. Oh, just give that a little bit of a stir through. Our last bit is 2 cans of borlotti beans, which we have drained and rinsed. Got rid of any of the yuckiness that might be in the can. Give that a quick stir through, and we're around about 30 to 40 minutes away from serving. All we have to do now is just reheat that little bit of ham and those beans, and we are ready to serve. Alright, so all we have to do now is just serve that into a bowl, just like that, and serve that up with some nice crusty bread rolls. Absolutely perfect. Alright, love to see you try and make this one at home. It is easy, it is economical, and perfect for a cold winter's day. Alright, Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. Gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. And if you don't like the video, hit that like button just because I said so. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time a new video goes up. Please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. In the meantime, we're in winter here in Australia, and if you want to learn how to make something real easy and cheap just like this one, well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Off to eat my Tuscan bean soup, and I will catch you next time. Bye.